announcements, pager test. One special announcement. For all town fire police, there will not be a monthly meeting and drill program in September. The next scheduled program is Wednesday, October 10th. If you have any questions, please contact Car 8. There is no equipment out of service. For Balfour Fire Department, the hydrant at Skimmerhorn Road west of Dutch Meadows is out of service. Balfour Fire Department, the hydrant in front of 20 Fonda Road, 48 Fonda Road, Green Mountain Drive and Fonda Road is out of service. All companies stand by for pager test.
Town of Colonie pager test. Eventually when they start it. Sorry guys.
Anyone experiencing a problem with their pagers are asked to contact their chief officer or supervisor. This is the Town of Colonie Fire and EMS, off and clear at 1804, dispatch 12.
And that concludes the pager test for the Town of Colonie.